super hot today and I was just running, so I'm kind of out of breath. But right now I need to get a car mount for my, like a phone mount for my car. Right now I'm gonna go and pick up some groceries because we forgot to go yesterday. So we're gonna go do that right now, and then we're gonna go, and I think this street is closed, so they're doing construction right now, so two cops just passed by, and let me tell you, like, there's never cops. Finally back in the car, and I got a bunch of goodies. Got some spinach. I got mostly like veggies. I got whole wheat bread, some juices, some cereal, milk, some string cheese because my boys love string cheese, like just as a little snack and stuff. Let me fix it for you. But yeah, that's basically it, and we're gonna go home and wash all the fruits and veggies, unpack this, and clean the fridge, and then just put it all away. And then it's gonna probably be time to go pick up my boys from school. So I'll talk to you guys back when we get home. Guys, I just got back home and the kitchen is pretty much a mess from this morning and a little bit from last night. So I need to do a lot of cleaning. I'm gonna put the groceries I just got away, and then I washed the strawberries, blueberries, and tomatoes right now, so that's just soaking right now in the water. And then I'm gonna clean the fridge because it is kind of a mess, and I'm gonna take out all the old food that's not needed and stuff like that. Okay, you guys the after right now in a bit because it is pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. Show you, this is what I'm working with for right now. So you see, literally, like, no, this got to go. This is the update for right now. I just mopped, but I'm gonna do another round. So we're gonna start working on this mess, and we're gonna clean and throw away everything. As you can see, it's super dirty, especially after this past weekend. But yeah, let's get started on this mess. This is how the fridge is looking at right now. Okay, I'm taking a quick break. I got kind of hungry and I'm eating a carrot cake. Obviously not the healthiest thing ever, but cake is just so good. This is leftover cake from the party on Saturday. So hungry. Give you a little update. So I cleaned everything and I organized everything that was already in there. I did go ahead and put the milk. I have all these things here, but some of these are not gonna go inside the fridge, but still. And this is what's going on right now. This is for, I'm gonna make food for later on, but yeah. So I need to wash these. Blueberries fell in there, so yay me. And this is all trash, and I'm gonna end up giving this away to my sister-in-law because they love coffee. We tried this, but it was not good. At least my husband didn't like it. He likes the vanilla one, so this one's still good until February. So yeah, section from the fridge, because I'm not gonna take everything out and then be like, oh my god, I'm so tired. So I might as well finish a section and then move on to the next one and the next one and the next one. So I'm kind of basically almost done with the fridge. I just need the bottom part where all the fruits and veggies go, and then I'm gonna do the freezer. But I have like 40 more minutes till I gotta pick up my kids and then make food for them and stuff like that, and then I'm done cleaning, organizing the fridge. So I gotta hurry up and wrap this up. I already put everything away. Look at all this mess after cleaning everything. So I'm gonna have to broom again and mop for the final. This is all I have here, so I didn't really clean it. I mean, there's not much to clean. This is, you know, so I just left it at that. Final overview. This is all the trash and everything. So the good thing, there's not a lot of like thrown out food. Like, it's just this turkey. My brother was supposed to take this, but he didn't. And then this is literally all empty. There's literally nothing left. I'm gonna put the dishes away, and then these are the dishes I need to clean, and then that's the food for right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I put all the stuff there, everything that needs to go away. I just need a broom and mop for one last time because of all the crumbs and mess from in there. I already cleaned all that up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and then the stove is gonna be next, and throw out all the trash that I have here. Okay, everybody, I finished up. It's like 6, 7 now. The kitchen is all cleaned up. I just need to clean the stove, but I did clean it 2 days ago, but it got really dirty with party and everything. So most likely gonna clean it again on Wednesday in 2 days, tomorrow. But we'll see what we do with that. But everything else is clean, dishes away, mop, broom, everything, and we're ready to go. Bedtime already. We're gonna go to shower and get ready for our nighttime routine and everything. Show you guys that I need to go return. I need to give that to back to my mother-in-law, so I'm gonna give that to her later on, but I just left it out for right now. And as you can see, everything's clean. I mopped. Really happy, and I'm really glad that I was able to clean up everything in the kitchen, get everything done, and do a little whole reset on the kitchen from Saturday's party. And now I'm just gonna clean up the living room just a little bit, tidy it up, and tomorrow I'm gonna clean that. Actually, before I end this video, I do want to show you guys what I got in the mail yesterday. Sunday. Yeah, today's Monday. Yeah, on Sunday. So let me show you guys what I got. So I got an unexpected package from Rare Beauty. I was shocked. I was just like, what is this? So it came like wrapped up in this little cute, you know, came like in a little bow. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna keep the packaging stuff, but let me show you really quick. I don't know, whatever. It was like this with the bow, with the cute little, you know. So I was just like, oh my gosh. I made a video about it already, but I was like, I'm definitely gonna save the packaging and stuff. I'm like, I love Rare Beauty. Anybody who knows me knows that I love Rare Beauty, and I always try to put everybody on Rare Beauty. So I'm carefully taking it apart. And then let me show you guys right here. This was, let me show you. So it came like this in this little box right here. Got this little note right here. And in the back it says, give comfort and joy as we head into the holiday seasons. We're excited to share some of our Rare Beauty favorites with you. Sending you all our warmest wishes. May the season be filled with laughter, joy, and unforgettable moments with those you love. And they sent over all of their Rare Beauty holiday gift sets. And I'm just like, ooh. I was gonna buy them at Black Friday, but this one ended up getting sold out, and I was just like so sad. But I ended up buying like, I didn't really end up buying nothing from Rare Beauty, and I'm so sad. I'm like, I needed to refrain myself, or else I would have spent like a freaking $500 that whole week. So I got this mini blush and luminizing trio. So it has 2 exclusive shades in here, and they're which one are they? it's Beloved. And then, which one is In Living? In Living? Am I saying that right? And the other one's Virtue. I already have the full size in Virtue. But oh my goodness, guys. Look at this blush. I love them. Like, they're the best. And then this is the highlighter right here. Oh my goodness. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. And then the next thing was this Selena's Essential Eye Duo right here. And then it comes in an exclusive shade, the Weightless Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Perspective. And then it comes with Selena Gomez mini size mascara, which I love. Like, go get you, if you're gonna spend money on a high-end mascara, let it be this one. And then the eyeshadow sticks, I do not own none of her eyeshadow sticks, so I'm so excited to try this one out. Let me show you guys right there really quick. It is such a pretty shimmery color. I can't wait. Like, like, you don't understand. Like, I was like, excuse me, what do you mean I got a package from Rare Beauty? Like, my order still stays as processing from Black Friday. So I was like, what? So then I also got the Fine Comfort mini lotion and fragrance set. And also another exclusive is the fragrance. I do have the spray, the body spray, but this is like, that's just the body spray, but this is a fragrance. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. You don't understand. Oh yeah, it smells exactly like the body spray. It smells so good. It's so pretty. I love how it's like a mauve tone. I love it. Like, I'm obsessed with purple, and this is kind of giving me like purple vibes. And this is the mini size Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. I still don't have nothing from her Fine Comfort collection except the body. Okay, sorry. This smells so good. It smells exactly like the body spray. Oh my goodness. Like, it smells like, for me, it smells like summery. It smells like spring vibes. That's exactly what it's giving, at least for me. And then the last thing I got was the Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting Gel. And again, too, I have not tried this. So I am so excited that they sent this over. I'm pretty sure I won a giveaway or something, because I don't know. They never told me if I won the giveaway or not. They never let me know, hey. I am very thankful and very blessed. So thank you to the Rare Beauty team and Selena Gomez for sending that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 10, I think. Well, I don't, yeah, 11. We'll see.